The next award celebrates someone who has consistently raised the bar in the world of entertainment, delivering performances that resonate deeply with audiences. The winner of this year's Entertainment Leader of the Year is the most versatile actor, striking a perfect balance between commercial success and meaningful storytelling. He has turned the narrative around for himself and continues to thrive. Let's shine a spotlight on this year's Entertainment Leader of the Year.
Rajkumar Rao won hearts and accolades this year for his inspiring portrayal of Srikanth Bolla, a visually impaired industrialist in the biopic Srikanth. The film, a sleeper hit, showcased Rao's versatility and ability to bring extraordinary stories to life. Following this, he starred in Stree 2, this year's blockbuster, and the highest-grossing Hindi film ever. Building on his iconic 2018 portrayal of Vicky, Rajkumar delivered a performance that struck a chord with the audience. From the resilient lawyer to the small-town dreamer, Rajkumar Rao continues to redefine excellence in Indian cinema with his power-packed and heartfelt performances. CNBC TV 18 India Business Leader Awards 2024 proudly presents the Entertainment Leader of the Year award to Rajkumar Rao.
Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for the very talented, very versatile Rajkumar Rao.
Congratulations, Rajkumar Rao. From Stree to Srikanth Bolla, you've had quite the diverse range of roles. If you'd like to say a few words.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, CNBC TV 18. Thank you, jury. It's such an honor to receive this prestigious award, and especially in front of this August gathering. Some of my favorite people are here. Thank you for recognizing my hard work. As you said, I always try and push my boundaries. I always try and explore challenging parts, and this year has been truly special with Srikanth and Stree 2. So Shri and Stree, I think both have been very lucky for me. But thanks to you guys, nothing would have been possible without your support. Thank you, Geo Studios. Thank you, Mukesh sir, Neeta ma'am, for putting your faith in films like Stree and just to support our cinema. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, guys. Have a good night.
A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, once again for the very talented Rajkumar Rao.
The Sports Leaders of the Year award recognizes outstanding contributions that have put India on the global map. Now this year, we celebrate the Indian chess team as the sports leader for bringing immense pride to India, to the nation, and inspiring a new generation of players across the country. A big round of applause for our chess team here.
Indian chess has come of age, transforming into a global powerhouse that commands respect on the world stage. At the prestigious Chess Olympiad, both the men's and women's teams made history by claiming gold, a first for India. In the open competition, India triumphed among 195 nations, with D. Gukesh and Arjun Irgaisi shining bright with individual goals. On the women's side, India outplayed 181 countries, fueled by stellar performances from Divya Deshmukh and Vantika Agarwal, who also secured individual goals. A moment of pride, a testament to talent, teamwork and grit. This is Indian chess at its pinnacle. CNBC TV 18 India Business Leader Awards 2024 proudly presents the Sports Leaders of the Year award to the Indian chess team.
Please put a huge round of applause for Abhijit Kunde, coach of the women's team and the non-playing captain, and Divyendu Barua, the head of delegation, to join us. Sir, we would like you to kindly say a few words.
Good evening, everyone. We are deeply honored to receive India Sports Leader Award today in this ceremony. It's a historic moment for chess that India won in both the categories, men and women. Chess Olympiad, first time in 95 years. where 180 plus countries were participating. I think it's very rare that such a dominance is displayed in any other sport in both the categories. We are proud that we brought back the crown to India, the birthplace of chess. Today is special that we have been honored among the gathering, I think with the tycoons from politics and business. And we are confident that with your support and guidance, India will lead the sports by 2036.
Well, amen to that. Thank you so much, and a big congratulations again to the team.
I would like to thank on behalf of Indian team. I think most of them are playing in tournaments, so they are not here. And chess fraternity, CNBC and juries, and everyone for supporting us. I think this is a award from the industry, so I will just put some numbers to it, because I think everyone was showing some numbers. So chess is played in more than 190 plus countries. On the ranking, we are world number 2 as far as the top 10 players average rating is concerned. We are world champion in men and women category in the team event, and Gukesh is playing in Singapore for the world championship.
Many
Thank you very much.
congratulations. Many congratulations. Thank you so much.